And then you look under here and there's a couple tabs that you have to push in as you push this plastic up.